Hello children. As you know, in the previous session we have read the lesson grandma, and we also have learnt a few new words from the lesson. But children, as you know, this lesson is for orals. So we are not going to learn the question answers of this lesson. But instead, today we are going to learn a new concept, that is, who said this. Who said this? It is a very easy concept. Means for you the dialogues will be given from the lesson, and you have to tell who has said that sentence in the lesson. For example, I have given you a few examples here, children. See here, who said this? Okay. Now see the first sentence. Can you dance, grandma? As you know, the children were asking some questions to grandma, right? So each child has asked one question. So now when we are writing who said this, as this is a dialogue, okay? As this is a dialogue, we are going to write the dialogues into inverted commas. This you can see here. This is called as open inverted comma, and this is called as closed inverted comma. And if it is a asking sentence, we put a question mark at the end. And if it is a telling sentence, we use a full stop and close the inverted commas. Okay. Now you can see the first sentence here, children. Can you dance, grandma? Who has asked this question in the lesson? It was Brain. Brain asked his grandma. So you are not going to write who has asked and to whom, but you only have to write there who has said that sentence. Okay. Now the second one. Can you fly, grandma? Who asked this question? Shyly. Okay. Now the third one. Can you jump over the moon, grandma? Who has asked this question? Jessica. The fourth one. Can you ride a cycle, grandma? Yes, this was asked by Surabhi. The fifth one. Can you see a bird in that tree? Who asked this question? This question was asked by grandma to the children. Okay, so these are the 5 sentences of who said this. Okay, after this, children, you are going to write these sentences in your classwork. Okay, the second question here, write true or false. Now see, the children looked at grandma. You know, when the children entered the room, they looked at grandma and they were giggling, right? So the sentence is true. The rocking chair is making a noise. As you know, the rocking chair was making the creak squeak noise. So it is true. The rocking chair moves sideways. Does the rocking chair move sideways? No, it moves forward and backward. So this sentence is false. Grandma is rocking very fast. Yes, was grandma rocking very fast? No, she was rocking very slowly. So it is false. The children play with the bird. Yes, were the children playing with the bird? Yes, they ran away to play with the bird. So the sentence is true. Okay, children, this is all for today. We are going to write this, who said this, and true or false in our classwork. Okay, these are all the objectives from this lesson. Okay, I'll send this on class-wise notes and even in the homework. Okay, you write down these sentences for your homework in the classwork book. So we are going to stop here, children, and continue in the next session. Thank you, children. Till then, take care. Bye, children.